So what do you think's in this old 32-year-old Holobrand box? Stay tuned to find out. Well, I asked a buddy of mine if I could buy his boxes. He said, what am I going to do with the wheels that are in there? I said, what kind of wheels are in there? So when you start snooping around in your buddy's shop and you ask him to sell you a box, hey, you never know what's in the box. 32-year-old Holobrand boxes sitting over in the corner. I've probably seen them a dozen times. This time I wanted to buy the box. Well, inside the box was an unmounted set of Holobrands. The original Hot Rod wheel. He ordered them a long time ago for his 37 coupe, 15 5s and 15 8s. Exactly what I needed. Yep, I brought them home with me. Let's see if my tire mounting technique works with aluminum wheels like it does steel wheels. I'm all the time catching slack from you guys. Not my diehard guys, but the guys that just find me by accident. You're always saying that I'm mounting a 16-inch tire on a 15-inch wheel, all that good stuff. Well, this is a 175/65/15 Toyo that I'm mounting on a 15 by 5 Holobrand wheel. Make sure that we mount the DOT number in and a little dot to the outside. Now I'm gonna make this look easy, and it is. I'm not gonna stand on it. I'm just gonna use my hands and push down on it. And we're gonna get this first bead down. Just like that. As simple as it can be. Line up the dot, and then we're gonna work it around with our hands and our knees, just to keep it on the drop center part of the wheel. Push with our thumbs. That's all we gotta do. We don't wanna mess this wheel up. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and stand on it. You've seen me do it before. It's not that I'm putting weight on it. It's just that it helps me walk it around. And we didn't have to put it on a machine. And there it goes. That's it, guys. Let's put some air in it. All right, so we got them both mounted up. I've got one aired up already. I'm just gonna show you, you could do this with a hand pump. If you're on the side of the road, you can even do it with a can of Fix-A-Flat. We're gonna put these, put this in here. You shouldn't hear any air leaking around the sides, but if you do, all you have to do is put a little bit of pressure on that area. There it goes. Hear it pop. 1, 2. There we go. And we'll put the we'll check the air pressure when we balance them. But that's as simple as it is right there, guys. And that's what's going on in the shop today. Now let's get these rears mounted, get some air in them, get these things put up on the car. Now these are gonna fit a couple of different cars I've got. All the cars that have fenders on them, I'll be able to run these. They're dual patterns, which are kind of rare for the old Holobrands. A lot of the old Holobrands, they only drilled them one time. He ordered these, he paid extra to have both boat patterns drilled in them because he had two different cars that he wanted to put them on. One had Chevy boat pattern, one had Ford. So I got the original receipt and everything on where he got the wheels done and when Holobrand drilled them for him. It's really cool. All right, let's get the rears done. All right, so I know you guys know about all the cars on the channel. Which car on the channel would you put these on? Message below. And now they go on a whole bunch of different ones, but which one do you think I'm going to put them on first? If you get it right, the first person that comments, I'm sending you a t-shirt. But you gotta get it right, and you gotta be the first one, and you're gonna get a free t-shirt. So message below, send me a comment, like the video, and you gotta be a subscriber. Thanks for watching, guys. Now get out in the garage and go build something.